report says New Mexico is not doing enough when it comes to preventing tobacco use in our state.
Diana Castillo has a look at the report from the American Lung Association, and she tells us what recommendations they have.
Tobacco is the #1 preventable cause of disease and death in New Mexico and also in America.
But according to the American Lung Association's annual State of Tobacco Control report, New Mexico can do more when it comes to tobacco prevention.
When it comes to tobacco prevention and control program funding, the state receives an F. And despite receiving $135 million from tobacco settlement payments and tobacco taxes, New Mexico only funds tobacco control efforts at 23.5% of the level that the CDC recommends.
The report calls on the state to use more of its funding towards tobacco use and prevention programs. It also says the state comes up short when it comes to ending the sale of all flavored tobacco products. New Mexico got a D grade when it comes to the state tobacco tax rate.
We also know that tobacco taxes are another way that really we call a win-win-win for the state. So what it does when we raise tobacco taxes is it gets adults to quit. It helps youth to not start or initiate in using tobacco products.
The report also highlights that New Mexico teens are vaping more.
In fact, they're vaping at a 37% rate, which is actually higher than our neighboring states. And it's the highest in the Southwest.
It's not all bad news, though. Our state gets an A when it comes to coverage, access, and services to quit tobacco. We also get a B when it comes to smoke-free workplace laws. And for the first time, e-cigarettes and tobacco products are banned from public schools because of a new state law. Esther Guan is the State Department of Health's program manager. She had this to say about that earlier this month.
We understand that with a lot of the students, they're using the e-cigarette as a mechanism, as a vehicle to not only use the e-liquid, but also use of marijuana, fentanyl, and other hard drugs within that. So with that, we're hoping to decrease the use of not only nicotine use, but also other substances on campus.
And another resource New Mexicans have to quit smoking is a hotline, 1-800-QUIT-NOW. This hotline helps people quit smoking with things like patches or gum. And circling back to that report, it also calls on the Biden administration to end the sale of menthol cigarettes and flavored cigars, as those are most popular among young people. Now, we have posted the full report on our website.